Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to make a quiz game in MIT App Inventor. First we will give the name to our quiz. So I'll give the name as quiz 2 because I've already made a quiz, and if I make it quiz then it will not take. Okay, we have the screen in front of us. So what first we have to design what should we have in our game. So first I will have a question and the four options, and I'll also have a label which will show indicate us that is the answer correct or wrong. And for attractiveness, we can also have an image here. Okay, so first we'll drag a label from here for the question and four buttons. For example, I will take only one. I'll make only one question because just for example, and I will take another label here and a button here. This is the extra button. This button is because when the person will click the right button, then this button will show up, which is of next. Then we can move to the next page, question. So first we will text our label. So for example, I have a question that who won the 2020 ODI between India and Australia. India and Australia. Who won the 2020 ODI between India and Australia? Okay, so we can have the options now. But I hope you know the correct answer of this. The correct answer is Australia. Okay, so let's have our options. So first I'll give India. India. Okay, then second I'll give Australia. For confusion, we can also give it was a tie. Tie. Sorry. I think the spelling of the tie is this only. I'm not sure. Let's say draw. It was a draw because I'm not confirm about the spelling. Yes. And the fourth option will be none of these. None of these. And we will give a text to the label 2, which will be choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Sorry, answer. Choose the correct answer, and button 5 I will say next. But I will hide it because it will not always be visible. Because it will be only visible when the correct answer is clicked. Okay, so for the time being we will hide it. And for attractiveness, as I told you, we can also upload an image. So from here we will upload on screen one. Mm, uh, no, sorry. We will drag an image here, and from here you can see there is no picture here, but we can upload it from here. And I've already chosen a file from the computer. I've downloaded it from the desktop, from that Google. Uh, where's the desktop? Why isn't desktop coming? Yes, here. Sorry, here it is. This is the image. Yes. Now, but it is too large for the screen, so we will fix it here with the fill parent and with the width as fill parent. Now it is perfectly fitted in the screen. So now it's time for coding. So first, what will we do that but before this we could make another screen that start the quiz like this. You can make another screen, but I forgot that, but no problem, you can start it from here also. So what I should do that, I want that if this is clicked, then the answer should be wrong, and the color of the label 2 should be red, and there should be written, it should be written wrong. Then their opposite of this will be that label of the color of the label will be green, and there would be written correct answer. And same in the these two, as the label of the color will change to red and it will be written wrong. So let's code it now. First we'll code button 1. Button 1 clicked. What we want that uh, it should, the label to colors, first the label should say set label to text. So first it should say wrong, and then it should change its color wrong. And now we can fix it here. And for the color, we will drag color from here, that is red for the wrong answer, and set label to again color. From here we'll choose color, background color. No, so yes, background color. Here is it. Here it is, and we can drag it here. Okay, now similarly with the other buttons also, and when the button 2 is clicked, then label 2 should show, because the it is the correct answer, so it should show the text as correct, and the color should be turned to green. Correct, and we'll drag color from here which will be green because it's the right answer. Okay, so again from here we'll take, so here we will again take this and set background color to, and we'll drag here, and we can fix it here. Now for the button 3, the same procedure. Sorry, when button 3 click, then we can simply duplicate from here rather than taking again this also. Yes. Now now one thing is that from here we have to display, when the right answer is clicked, then we have to display the next button also. So for that we will say, but the next button is button 4, button 5. So th when the I want then set button 1 button 5 visible, because it's for the timing I have hide it, so it should be visible and this should be true, then only it will show up. In the other cases it will not be visible because I'm not added this code and there is no need to. And now one button is left, that is button 4, which is none of these. So same procedure we can duplicate here, um, here. Yes. Okay, now our code is ready, and now we have to add a screen. Okay, let's revise our code that anything is wrong or right, wrong or not. Level 2 text to this. Yes, it's right. And from here we'll add a screen. Screen name should be screen 2 only. Okay. So be careful while adding a screen while coding, that it should be written exactly the same, because if you write small s, then it will not it will say invalid screen like this it will say. So we have to drag two buttons here also, that will be of play again and exit. So this is the button, and this is again a button. First button, the text for the first button, the text would be play again, and for the second button the text would be exit. So you will think, how can we exit? And you will think that how can we exit? So there's an option of close application when we code it. So first we'll code the button 1. So when the button 1 clicked, we will switch the screen to first screen. where the question is. So for we will take open another screen name. We have to, as I told you, we have to write the screen name exactly the same, because otherwise it will not take it. So we'll write screen 1, S capital, and the rest is same, and without giving any gap we will write screen 1 like it is here. Okay. Now for the button 2 we will add, when button 2 clicked, what should it do? It should exit. So how can we exit? We can close the application, not close the screen, close application. It will not close the application when you click the exit, but for showing, just showing, it will say that it's not valid while construction when you click the exit, but because I've tried it already. So now our game is ready. Now you can play it by downloading the app, which is MIT AI2 Companion, and you can scan the QR code from here. From the AI Companion, you have the QR code in front of you, and from the phone you can scan it and you can play the game. So thank you guys for watching this video.